Hey guys, Deepak here from digitaldeepak.com and welcome to this webinar. And in today's webinar, we are going to learn about the 4 different ways to make money using digital marketing or specifically make money working from home, right? So I'm going to cover some broad concepts in this webinar and then we are going to go specific. This webinar will be around 30 to 45 minutes, and then we might have some Q&A interaction towards the end as well. So, how many of you here feel that the future of working is going to be freelancing and it is going to be remote? It's not going to be the typical full-time IT company job that you get inside an IT company that you go sit there and work all the time. Yes. And what happens is that a lot of times you will be observing that people are slowly adapting to this new style of working. And a lot of jobs in the IT sector are getting automated. For example, when you look at the whole accounting and consulting space, you have a lot of different big companies who have accounting and consulting as one of the services. And that is also getting automated with a lot of softwares now. And coding and programming has also become easier and easier. Have you heard of something called no code? So no code is basically a way to build applications without having to write code from scratch. So programming, coding, IT, consulting, all these things are kind of going away. And when you look at the history of humankind, large organizations and factories did not exist forever. Large organizations and factories were existing only in the 19th century. And before that, long back, let's say 1,000 years back, everyone was a small business owner. Everybody was a freelancer. You had probably, carpenters, you had, people who were taking care of cows and giving milk to the people around them. Some people were probably fruit vendors, some people were house builders, and either people worked as freelancers or they had a very small business with a small team of people where they were working to serve the community around them. And only in the 18th and 19th century we had the advent of industrialization, where the habit of hiring thousands and thousands of employees kind of became a commonplace. When you look at 2000 to 2010, there was this big IT boom. And then obviously it continued all the way up to 2020. And this big IT boom is basically because there are people in India who had set up these companies. And these people set up the companies so that they could make use of the lower cost of working in India, because the cost of living in India is lower and people started getting comfortable with the English language and people were skilled enough in India, especially with tech and computers. And in US, the cost of living is very high, right? US, Europe, UK, Australia, in all these developed countries, the cost of living is very high. So a lot of companies figured out that it might be a good idea to, serve these clients in the US, UK, Australia from India, so that they can make use of the low cost of living here, which means that a lot of IT companies used to pay salaries like 10,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees for people with 1 or 2 years of experience. And they used to charge something like 80,000 rupees to 1 lakh, usually 1,000 to $1,500, and sometimes $2,000 for every person working in India here. And that is what drove this entire boom of people wanting to go to IT companies. And I'm pretty sure that a lot of you here would have got offers from IT companies even if you did mechanical engineering or civil engineering. So I did civil engineering, and when I did civil engineering, I still got an offer from an IT company in Bangalore, which was like a backend office for US, right? So that's what the technology growth in India has been mostly about. And the amount of companies in India which could make a mark in the global startup landscape has been very less, right? And now slowly we start seeing some companies, which are trying to become international companies who have started from India, and now they are slowly going global, trying to become the next Facebook, trying to become the next Google, and things like that. So one thing to observe here is that the whole concept of a safe, secure job has gone away. And because we are in India, we have the internet connection, we have low cost of living, and we are basically, looking at a way to make money using our skills. But I think most of us right now would understand that the concept of a safe, secure job in a large organization is not a reality anymore. So, how many of you agree to this? Just type agree in the chat box, and you can put it as all panelists and attendees. I have opened up the chat so that you can, show it to other people as well, right? The concept of safe, secure job does not exist anymore. Fantastic. So pretty much everybody, agrees that it's true, and even a lot of people who thought that okay, if you work hard, if you go to a good college, and if you end up joining an IT company, your career is set. Even that is now under question because we have seen that in 2020 pandemic and 2021, a lot of people who had jobs even for 5 years, 10 years consistently in a company started feeling the disadvantages, right? They started feeling that hey, the company can lay me off anytime, which means that having something on the side and having an income is very, very important. So now, where is the whole world heading to? A lot of things are getting automated, a lot of jobs are getting automated, but one thing that can never be automated is creativity. Do you think that you can automate creativity? Do you think that an AI can tell a story? Probably not, because it's all about emotions and it's all about human to human connections. So, which means that there are four major ways that you can look at. Actually, there are five, but the fifth one is something that I will tell you towards the end. But let's first look at the four major ways that you can monetize, you know, your digital marketing skills, right? Four ways to make money with digital marketing. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to share my screen, and in this mind map, we will go over some of the things that we will share our thoughts and ideas. Right, four ways to make money with digital marketing, and a lot of people view digital marketing like any other skill. Like people study civil engineering, people study mechanical engineering, people study lawyer, they become doctors, some people become CAs, but a lot of people think that digital marketing is just another area of study or a career path, just like any of these career paths, right? But digital marketing is more than that. And this is something that I have mentioned in previous webinars. Digital marketing, to tell it very, very simply, is basically a way to amplify your communication, right? So what is English language? What is language? Any language, like you might think about your mother tongue as well. It's a way to communicate between two humans, right? And it's a medium of communication. And let's say 500 years back, 1000 years back, where there was no technology available, let's say there was a village and there was a leader of the village. If the leader of the village wanted to talk to 100 people at the same time, he can probably stand on a stage and talk to 100 people, and the 100 people can listen to him. But do you think the leader of that village can talk to 500 people at the same time or 1000 people at the same time without a microphone or without any technology? Definitely not. Because the person in the last row will not even be able to hear this person. So when you look at a microphone and a loudspeaker, it is basically a technology which is amplifying the voice of this, let's say the tribal leader or the village leader, so that everybody could listen to him. But the disadvantage was that all the people had to gather at the same place. And even today, you see people gathering at large auditoriums, people, sitting in big, big halls and listening to speeches. But the problem is that they have to be at the same time and at the same space. So imagine a microphone and a loudspeaker is only going to amplify the voice for people at the same place at the same time. But imagine digital marketing. Digital marketing is similar, right? It amplifies what you want to talk about, but it can be heard across space and across time. And today, right now, even though this webinar is live, there are 1,000 people who are listening to this particular webinar. There are 1,000 people in this room. And in fact, my webinar capacity is only 1,000 today. And I think more people tried to join today's webinar, but they were not able to. I will obviously do I will be posting a recording of this. I will be doing a replay of this webinar. So right now, you are not at the same place. You are sitting at your home, probably in your desk or in your bed or in your sofa or in the living room, and you are listening to me. And this is live. So right now, I am using the power of digital marketing to amplify what I have to say. Imagine the amount of power Gandhiji might have had if he had this technology of having an email list, having a webinar, and having a blog. He could have shared the entire information to the whole world, right? I mean, to whole of India. And imagine if he wanted to do satyagraha, he would have sent an email list. Hey guys, we are, assembling for the salt satyagraha tomorrow. Please assemble at this point. And imagine the amount of power it might have had, but he did not, and the word spread slowly. So what I am trying to say is that digital marketing is not just a career thing, right? Digital marketing is more like English. If you are learning English, you will be successful in any career that you take, whether it's a lawyer, doctor, CA, accountant, computer programmer, YouTuber, whatever it is. If you know how to communicate in a language that everybody understands well, then your success is guaranteed, right? Similarly, if you know digital marketing well, no matter what career you choose, you will be able to amplify the voice that you have. You will be able to amplify what you can say, right? So digital marketing is all about amplification, right? So just type A in the chat box if you understand that digital marketing is all about amplification. It's like you know how to communicate, but how do you make sure that a lot of people listen to you? And not just across time, or not just across space, but across both time and space. Like, for example, right now, we are communicating this information across space. Like, people are sitting all over the world, all over India, and they are listening to me. But at the same time, I don't need to miss out on the people. Like, for example, there are certain people who try to join this webinar, and we ended up having a limit of 1,000. But let's say people who tried to join this webinar couldn't or didn't even attend this webinar. They can still go ahead and watch this webinar on YouTube, right? If they watch this webinar on YouTube, I am talking to people across time and space. They are not even listening to me at the same time that I am communicating. So this is something that you have to, really keep in mind. And I hope the webinar has been useful until now. Just type useful in the chat box if the webinar has been useful until now. Fantastic. So now, let's go ahead and have a look at the top 4 ways to make money, which was the promise of the webinar. And in the meantime, let me go ahead and just ask on Twitter about what is digital marketing and how you would define it, right? So give me one moment. So we already have some people who are not able to enter the webinar. So as soon as I open Twitter, you can see he's saying that looks like already 1,000 participants in the webinar. Please take me in. Unfortunately, I cannot because Zoom right now, at least my account is allowing only 1,000 people. So let's go and ask here. So how do you define digital marketing? How would you define digital marketing? So put it in one line of what you just understood, based on what we have discussed right now. So I will just share the link here, right? So how do you, so Mohammed Rasin has gotten, good. I think some people got out, so you were able to get in. So go ahead and answer it on Twitter in one line, okay? And whoever answers here and whoever puts the chat, I will also end up following you. and start using Twitter, guys. Some people are saying that I don't use Twitter anymore, but Twitter, I think, is a great social media channel because it's about thoughts, not about pictures like Instagram or Facebook. So future and huge potential, a tool that allows communication across time and space. It's a medium of communication. It's a digital version of a loudspeaker. Actually, Rohit, that is a very, very nice way to say. It's a digital version of a loudspeaker which can communicate across time and space, right? It's a loudspeaker to amplify our communication. So come on, guys, go ahead and put it on Twitter and let's see how much response we can get. And you can also go ahead and retweet this particular Twitter link. So yes, so getting back to our mind map. So let's look at 4 ways to make money with digital marketing, right? So when you learn personal branding with digital marketing and when you end up learning how to use digital marketing properly, there are majorly 4 ways that you can make money. So you can get a job, ideally an online job, and there are 15 people working in my team, and all of these 15 people are working from home remotely, and some of the team members I have not even met yet because the hiring happened in the past 1 year and we have been only working online. So you can get an online job definitely. And what are the different categories of online job you could get? You could get a job as a social media manager. You can get a job as a digital mentor. You can get a job as a, let's say, an email marketer and marketing automation expert, SEO expert. You can get a sales job. You can get a copywriting job. You can get a performance marketing job. What else can you get? So these are the different areas of online jobs that you can get. And can you think of anything else? Let me know in the chat box and I will build on this. Content writing, yes. How could I miss that? So content writing job, website designing, online reputation management, so graphic designing, affiliate marketing manager. So somebody just put it on the chat box, tag manager. Tag manager is not a job, guys. Tag manager is a tool, which is Google tool. So yeah. So these are the different jobs, right? Pretty much, everything I think we have covered. And let's say data analyst. Yes. Brand evangelist. Social media brand evangelist. So these are the different jobs you could get. In fact, just to save this, yes, market research. How could I forget that? Market research. Get a digital marketing job. So these are the different jobs you could get, right? So if you learn digital marketing and if you learn digital marketing well, and if you become an expert, so how many of you are my interns here? Put it as all panelists and attendees and just type intern in the chat box. And you can also, mention the batch number on the chat box. So I see people from batch 10, batch 11, batch 7. Some people are from batch 13 as well, but batch 13 is yet to start. Glad to see you here. Fantastic. And how many of you are yet to join the internship program? Just type yet to in the chat box if you're yet to join the program and if you have not joined yet. Fantastic. So a lot of people are yet to join. So I look forward to have you in the future batches. So if you are my intern, and if you have already gone through, all the different lessons and the weeks of the internship program, you would know that how, if you cover all these topics, right? Social media, performance marketing, and if you have had practice and if you have done a project around this, then there is a very highly likely chance that you would be getting a job in the digital marketing space. So let's go ahead and post on LinkedIn, right? Because LinkedIn is usually the space where we talk about jobs. And let's go ahead and share on LinkedIn this particular image that I just captured from the mind map. And let's talk about the digital marketing job opportunities out there in the market right now. Available in the market right now. So let's go ahead and add the image. So what would you choose? So let's understand, out of all the different digital marketing job opportunities that are available in the market right now, what would be your choice, right? What do you want to become? So I will just copy a link to this post and you can go ahead and comment on LinkedIn here and choose any one of this, right? Choose any one of this and go ahead and talk about what you would choose personally. And let's start looking at some of the comments that are coming in here. So the link I have posted. Social media manager, content writing, content marketing, content writing. So a lot of people want to become content writers because content writing can be, one of the most lucrative areas to get started, because as long as you know English, anyone can write content. Fantastic. So I see a lot of comments here, and I will be connecting with you on LinkedIn as well. Recently, I've started becoming active on LinkedIn. So great. Glad to know this. So now these are all the different job opportunities you can get once you become a digital marketing expert. But what is the next thing that you can do? You can become a digital freelancer, right? You can become a digital freelancer, and you can work on the same areas as jobs, on the same areas as you would a job. And you can start with a digital marketing job. If you are just out of college and if you are very new, then I would recommend that you go ahead and start with a digital marketing job so that you can gain some experience and you can put it on your profile. But eventually, what you can do is that you can start becoming a digital freelancer and build your personal brand as an expert in one specific topic through blogging, right? So imagine, let's say a lot of people said that they want to become content writers. Some people said that they want to become an SEO expert. So let's say you are an SEO expert. Let's say you have understood SEO. You did my internship program on the internship program on digital marketing, and then you did an advanced internship program on SEO, let's assume. And now, how will you convince the world that you know SEO and you are good at SEO? You can put it in the chat box. What is the best way to convince the world that you know SEO? Is it to have just a resume? No. It is to have certificates? No. Is practical experience and project alone enough? No. Right? If you want to go ahead and show the world that you know SEO and you can do SEO, see, there is this saying. They say the best known will always beat the best. Do you agree with it or not? Somebody who is well known will always be able to beat people who are not very well known, right? I'm pretty sure that there are people who are digital marketing experts who know more about digital marketing than what I know, right? There are people out there. But do you think that they are getting the opportunities or whether I am getting the opportunities? I am probably getting more opportunities because I am well known in the market, right? And there are a lot of people who are asking whether I will be available to join them as a digital marketing manager or a head of digital marketing. And in fact, I had a very well known startup recently reach out to me. And you know what they said for head of digital marketing? What is the salary? Can you guess? They said they are ready to pay 60 lakhs to 80 lakhs per annum. That is the market value right now for someone who has more than 15 years of experience with digital marketing. Yes, 60 to 80 lakhs per annum is what they said. And I obviously said no, because I love, working on my own business. Now I have a team of 15 people. I am running this new, company. So obviously I cannot go ahead and join any company, but I'm getting that because I have built my personal brand, right? And how many of you understand that personal branding is the way to go ahead and get the opportunities? Just type PB in the chat box if you understand that personal branding is very important. Yes, personal branding is so important, right? So let's go ahead and have a look at the mind map again. So what I would recommend that you do is that you go ahead and start building your personal brand. And once you start building your personal brand, what happens is that so Ammu M, I mean, it's very shameful that you are spamming on my webinar. So guys, please do not spam. And as soon as I put all panelists and attendees, some people are just trying to use the opportunity to spam instead of focusing and getting value on the webinar. And sometimes when I am trying to focus on the content here, it just, I kicked them out. I kicked them out. Cool. So getting back to the mind map. So yes, build your personal brand as an expert in one specific topic through blogging and work on the same job areas as you would work on a job, right? Like what you can do is that you can, like, for example, if you are an SEO expert, okay? For example, if your focus area is SEO, then write about SEO on your blog. Send out cold emails to clients and ask them to read your blog. Share the blog posts on social media, right? So if you keep doing that, you will start building a personal brand. Like, for example, recently I've started contributing to entrepreneur.com. And how many of you know about entrepreneur.com? It's a pretty well-known publication, right? So recently I've become a part of their entrepreneur.com leadership network, and I'm able to publish articles on their site directly. And this is something that I have started to do to build my personal brand. And here you can see 5 ways businesses can get traffic and generate leads. And here you can see that they have even given a link back to my website, which is learntoday.com. And this is something that I will share on the chat box if you want to check it out. In fact, you can go ahead and just check out this tweet and maybe retweet that or maybe comment on it, right? So to become a contributor on entrepreneur.com, you need to have a personal brand first. So once you have a personal brand, you can start compounding the growth of your personal brand. So that is the best part about building a personal brand, is that once you have a little bit of traction, then more and more people will start following you. And once you have a little bit of following, then you can enter these exclusive areas like publishing on Entrepreneur or publishing on any other publication website. So you need to build a personal brand as an expert in a specific area. And obviously I would encourage that you can write a book about your area of expertise. You can also go ahead and focus on a specific niche. Some examples, if I have to give, let's say digital marketing for doctors. If you want to go even subdivide into like go for a deeper niche, then you can do digital marketing for dentists. And you can probably help dentists in your area to go ahead and generate leads for their clinic. You can become like a digital marketing for real estate in city XYZ, right? There are so many niches to do. So the benefits of becoming a digital freelancer is that you can take more than one client at a time, ideally 3 to 5 clients. So when you go from an employee to a freelancer, what happens is that you are having more than one source of income, right? If you're just going to be in a single um, source of income, which is a job, then it is very risky, right? A lot of people think a job is safe. But tell me honestly, is freelancing safe or job is safe? Digital freelancing is far safer, right? Just type DF in the chat box. Digital freelancing. That's what I call. I call it digital freelancing because you are doing it digitally, sitting at home. And I registered digitalfreelancing.com, digitalfreelancer.com, and acquired them as premium domain names as well, because that is a term that I want to popularize. I want 10 million digital freelancers in India. That is my goal. Obviously, I had a goal of creating 1 million digital marketing experts, but probably 10 million freelancers is what India can have. And freelancing is such a big area. And 10 million is probably, they are going to be part of Hire Today and We Learn Today ecosystem. And imagine if there are 10 million freelancers and I want them to make at least $10,000 a year. So 10 million freelancers into $10,000 a year, how much is it? 10 million into 10,000 is 10,000 crores, guys. So 10,000 crores of revenue should be generated every year through freelancers. Every year. That is my goal. That is what I want to enable. Right? $1.5 billion. Correct, Banu. So the advantage of becoming a freelancer is that you can serve international clients, right? You don't need to be stuck to an Indian job with a single source of income. You can take international clients. So you can take on international clients. And if you take more than one client at a time, ideally 3 to 5 clients, then what basically happens is that you are having multiple sources of income, right? Multiple sources of income. And you are also going to, expand it into an agency in the future if you can hire more people under you. This brings you income safety and it helps you build entrepreneurial skills, because as an entrepreneur you need to have a service oriented mindset. As people who are working in a job, they are always having the mindset of what can I take from the company. But people who become entrepreneurs eventually get into the mindset of what I can give, right? So once you start giving is when you will start making more money, because it's always about going ahead and creating value, right? So just type V in the chat box if you understand that you will make a lot of wealth when you create value. V, not WEE, V, like letter V. So you have to create value. Without creating value, you will not be able to go ahead and make wealth. And once you start becoming a freelancer, you will start getting into the mindset that, hey, I have to provide value to other people. And right now, why do you think that I have built my personal brand so big? because I have created value, right? Like for example, right now this webinar is an example of creating value. And once you start becoming an entrepreneur, and once you start working for yourself, you will start building your brand, and you will never need to go back to a job again. So it means that you will have time and location freedom. Yes, you will have time and location freedom. And once you take on international clients, there is no GST for export services. You can earn in dollars and get money directly into your Indian bank account. So the next advanced internship program that I'm going to start is going to be called the Advanced Freelancing Internship, and that is going to come very soon. So how many of you here are interested in the Advanced Freelancing Internship program? Just type DFI in the chat box, Digital Freelancing Internship. So DFI is the next thing that I'm going to create. And it's going to be completely focused on freelancing. And ideally, people who are already part of the DDIP, it would be an ideal upgrade for them. But at the same time, people can also sign up for the Digital Freelancing Internship program directly if they want. Fantastic. So I see so many people interested, but ideally I would recommend that you go for the basic DDIP course first, right? So some people are asking, will it be covered in the internship program itself? Yes, we have an entire week dedicated to digital freelancing, but the advanced digital freelancing is going to be an 8-week or actually a 12-week program just focused on digital freelancing, right? So you will have time and location freedom. You can earn in dollars, get money directly into your Indian bank account. You don't need to pay GST on the services. Like for example, if you are selling website design services in India, then you need to be charging GST on it. However, if you are going ahead and exporting services to international locations, then there is no GST involved in it, because GST is a consumption tax and it is only paid by the consumer of the goods and services. And if you're exporting services, then there is no GST. If you are earning $1,000, there is no indirect tax on it, right? Obviously, income tax is something that you have to pay because that becomes part of your income. But that is the beauty of it, right? So a lot of people are asking, when does batch 13 of the Digital Deepak internship program starts? It starts on June 10th, guys. June 10th is when we are starting the batch 13 of the Digital Deepak internship program. It's surprising that we have already come up to batch 13. So these are the two major ways, guys. Two major ways of making money. So one is becoming a digital freelancer, and one is getting an online job. So Sandeep Samala, please mail support@pixeltrack.com. We will have a look into it. So Sandeep is saying, I want to join the internship program. How do I join? So basically you need to apply for the internship program. I think if you have not joined my internship program yet, you would have already got the application on the mail, right? Cool. So the internship is a 3-month program, guys. So I see a lot of questions about the internship program, but right now I might not be able to answer all the questions. Maybe towards the end, I will answer some of the questions, but now let's focus on the webinar and let's get this done. So the third one is to become a digital mentor, right? How many of you want to become a digital mentor? Just type DM in the chat box if you want to become a digital mentor. So a digital mentoring is basically what I am doing, right? I am being an online mentor to you, but obviously I am not teaching you offline. I'm teaching you online, and I'm teaching you through the internet as a medium. And that is what digital mentoring is all about. So the advantages of becoming a digital mentor is that you can train students online. Classes need not be live all the time. You can do 2 to 3 webinars per week to interact with your audience students live. You will get immense satisfaction of training and teaching people, you will be able to create a digital product, and digital products are scalable, right? So if you are creating an online course, let's say, if you are creating an online course, whether you are selling 1 unit, 10 units, 100 units, 1,000 units, or 10,000 units, no matter what, the amount of work that you have put in does not increase, right? Do you have to work extra if you have 10,000 customers? If you are creating an online course? Definitely not. So when you are creating digital products, it scales very well, right? So becoming a digital mentor means that you are basically becoming an online trainer or a digital coach or a however you want to call it, and you will also be able to build a personal brand, right? So why do you think people see me as a digital marketing expert and approach me for digital marketing? People do it because I'm also teaching, right? And teaching is the best way to learn. So no matter what you do, you should always be having a community, and you will be able to build a community, right? So Krishna is saying, tweet this, sir. So yes, why don't we go ahead and put out a tweet? So let's go ahead and put out a tweet, and let's talk about digital mentoring, right? So digital mentoring is one of the most satisfying lines of work because you become an expert through teaching. Teaching is the best way to learn. That's the point number one. Your digital products can scale, and you don't need to scale fast. You will build a community and get satisfaction through empowering others. Agreed? So you can save this by retweeting. Cool. Awesome. So, this is something that we all understand, right? Digital mentoring can be a very satisfying line of work, and everybody should be a digital mentor, right? Because as a digital mentor, you are going to have all these benefits, which is going to help you become a better freelancer. It is going to help you become an agency in the future, build an agency in the future. And then the fourth one is become an affiliate marketer. So I will do a separate webinar about affiliate marketing because we are already almost 1 hour into this webinar and we don't have enough time yet. And affiliate marketing is a very, very deep topic. And I'm pretty sure that you might have heard about some of the affiliate marketing content and articles that I post out there. So that's going to be there. So you can become an affiliate marketer. And the third one, fifth one is grow your startup. So I have not included it in the four methods because it's not necessarily a money-making method if you're already running a startup. But if you learn digital marketing as a business person, then you can grow your startup. And that's why we have this community called Digital Marketing Club Platinum. And inside Digital Marketing Club Platinum, we have a lot of business owners and we discuss business growth strategies with them. So if you're a business owner, then you should definitely check out Digital Marketing Club Platinum. Otherwise, our community product is Digital Marketing Club Gold. So I will give more information about it for people who are interested in it. Stay tuned for it. But otherwise, that's pretty much it for today's webinar. And I hope you loved this webinar. I hope you liked it. And what did you learn in today's webinar? Can I go ahead and ask it on, let's say I will, this time I will go and ask it on Facebook, right? Because whenever you go ahead and write down what you have learned. So by the way, for people who stay until the end of this webinar, I have a gift. I am going to give a free course. So stay tuned. Don't drop off yet. The webinar is not yet over. But let's go ahead and quickly check. What did you learn today in the webinar about digital marketing? So whenever you write down what you have learned, you start remembering it better, right? So that is why I'm going to ask you to write it down, and I'm going to give you this link of this particular post. So go ahead and comment on this post. What did you learn today? And it can be in the form of points, and it can be like some 2-3 points. So go ahead and put down those points right here in the chat, and let's go ahead and see what you have learned today. So yes, I will be sharing a recording of this webinar as well, and I will be sending it to you as a mail. And what I'm also going to do is that I'm going to give you a bonus today for people who have attended this webinar. So I can see the scope is huge, different opportunity in digital marketing. So be a little bit descriptive, guys. Don't put like a one-liner, but maybe like write a few points on what you have learned today. And in the meantime, what I'm going to do is that for people who stayed all the way until the end of the webinar, I'm going to give you some free courses from my login, which is learn.digitaldeepak.com. So these courses are some of the courses that I have already given away for free. So actually, I will mail it to you guys. I will mail you these free courses because I need to get an OTP to log in into my Teachable right now and don't have it handy right now. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to send you 3 free courses via email. And yes, so that's how it's going to work. And some people are asking, will I be sharing the mind map? Yes, I will be sharing the mind map. Don't worry about it. I'll be sharing the recording and the mind map as well. So let's go ahead and have a look at what people have learned today. Fantastic. So I see 38 comments. Let's go ahead and have more than 100 comments today, guys. So digital freelancing, digital mentoring, digital marketing jobs, 4 ways of earning online through digital marketing. Teaching is the best way to learn more. Absolutely. So fantastic. Great to see all these amazing positive comments of what you have learned today. And before we end the webinar today, what I would like to do is that I would like to get some people online who are already part of the internship program and share their experience with the audience here on how your internship program is going. So who wants to do it? Let me know in the chat box, and I will put you as a panelist, and you will be able to come online. So I'm going to put Shubham. So hey Shubham, you should be able to unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Can you turn on your video as well?
Sir, 2 minutes. I'm getting dressed.
Sure. Okay.
Sir,
In the meantime, I will put someone else online. So who else wants to come online? Existing interns, if anybody wants to come online. So Yachana, I think we can still be okay. with the noise of your kids, but put you online anyway.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi, Yachana.
Hello, Deepak. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm fine.
And you should be able to start
Yeah.
your video now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah. Hi. I'm looking measure because my kids are fighting with each
No
other.
problem. So which batch are you from, Yachana?
I'm from batch 10.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Great.
I'm waiting for week 4, bonus week 4 assignment
Yes, it's
because
going to happen tomorrow.
yeah. And I joined your internship program for affiliate marketing, for learning
Okay.
affiliate marketing in detail.
Fantastic.
And I want to learn affiliate marketing in means in a special if you are having a special course of affiliate marketing, then I want to join that.
Yes, it's going to come after the internship program. I hope you
Yeah.
have watched the affiliate marketing bonus video, and I hope you
Yeah.
learned a lot
And
from it.
I got all the cashback till bonus week 3.
Fantastic. So which
Yeah.
means that the program is almost free for you.
Yeah, almost free. And it's means learning is very good. मीन्स आई
Fantastic.
कैन नॉट मतलब मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था ऐसा कि कुछ हो मतलब इस टाइप का कोर्स होगा जिसमें मुझे फ्री में ऐसा सीखने मिलेगा एंड थैंक टू यू एंड दिव्या देयर एंड कामना जैन आल्सो एंड ऑल द बैचमेट्स आल्सो
Great.
सो और मुझे ऐसा कुछ मतलब एक नया फील था मेरे लिए तो ऐसा कुछ फील नहीं हुआ कि कुछ नया है ऐसा लगा कि नहीं बहुत फ्रेंडली सब कुछ है
I think the community aspect is the best part about the entire program because
yes
group
and
with which you
this
can learn.
idea giving cashback is very new for us.
Yes. I think nobody
फर्स्ट
has
टाइम आई
tried.
थॉट कि नो इट कुड नॉट हैपन मतलब ऐसा थोड़ी ना होता है कोई सिखाएगा और कैशबैक देगा नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता बट व्हेन आई गेट फर्स्ट कैशबैक देन आई थॉट अरे ये तो सच में हो रहा है एंड इट इज अ रियल मनी एंड इट इज नॉट लाइक कि ये बाउचर है एंड दिस वन इज नॉट लाइक दैट तो जो भी आगे ज्वाइन करना चाहते हो उनको मैं बोलूंगी बिल्कुल मतलब ब्लाइंडली आप ज्वाइन करें मतलब लर्निंग के साथ आप अर्निंग कर रहे हैं इट्स ऑलमोस्ट फ्री
Yes.
yeah and even my kids knows you कि अरे दीपक सर आ गए मम्मा दीपक सर का वेबिनार है तो you should join they know you by name by face your all social media handles the kids know my one of my kid is 10-year-old and one is 7-year-old so both knows you they know you
Great.
yeah
Cool. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
yeah
And,
thank you
look forward to the further sessions.
thank you sir
Bye. Hi, Syed.
Hi sir, how are you?
Good. How are you? Which batch are you from?
I am from batch 8.
Okay. So how is the program going for you?
Yeah, it was excellent. I have completed the program. You can see in my office I am putting very close to.
Oh wow! You have got the special award, the excellence award.
Yes. Also, I got the certificate also by email.
Fantastic.
It was a wonderful experience, sir.
Great. Glad to know that.
Yes, and also I have after completing this, I have started a small digital marketing agency.
Okay.
And you'll be happy to know that there are some seniors and as well as some juniors. They are also part of my team.
Okay. Oh.
Sanjay from batch 9 is working, and Niharika from the batch 7 is part of my team. So,
fantastic. Glad to know that.
So we have just started and getting some clients.
Okay. You should definitely look at Digital Marketing Club Platinum because that's for business owners that we have created. I think you might have already got a mail about it.
Yes.
So let's see.
I'm looking forward for some new the advanced courses also.
Yes, more than advanced courses right now, we are looking at creating a mastermind program where people can learn from each other and we can have in-depth business discussions every week.
Yeah, but I want to ask one question, sir, if you don't mind.
Sure.
I was just curious to know that why you are closing the Pixel Track. I mean, as an agency. Is there any?
I mean, Pixel Track was started as a digital marketing agency.
Yes.
And then we did agency as well as we did training side by side. So we felt that we should be focusing on one thing at a time. And right now, I feel that online education and training is going to be my focus area for a while. I just don't have enough time to run a marketing agency on the side because working with clients and doing all that work takes a lot of time. So Pixel Track as a performance marketing agency, whatever the education part of it is coming to learn today. And then eventually I will start a digital marketing agency from scratch again. That agency will be called as Deep Marketing. And we also had a change of directors and change of co-founders that happens at the early stage of a business, change of teams and everything. So that is the idea, but Pixel Track will also be very close to my heart. It will always be my personal brand.
Okay, but you are not going to close that, right? You are going to continue with that.
I mean, the business operations will close, but the brand will remain.
That was I was just I was I mean, yes, I know your more focus is for the tech now.
Yes.
You have now the Teach Today.
And I feel that as I am growing my Learn Today brand and the EdTech brand, my personal brand will go up to the next level. And then I can attract the next level of clients again back to my agency. Because right now, even though I have a good personal brand, the agency is still a little bit challenging to handle the clients and everything. So if I just do the agency, I will be super successful in it without doing training and education on the side, because training is very, very demanding. Like imagine 9 to 10 p.m. webinar on a Friday night.
Yes.
And have to do a lot of this, right? So that kind of realized that, okay, let's focus on one thing at a time, because eventually that's what you end up realizing, that you need to have focus.
Yeah. So thank you so much for systematically telling us all the principles, and in fact your first video itself, the first session itself, it has given a lot of clarity. The mindset in the video.
Yes. Fantastic. Glad to know, and looking forward to connect again.
Yeah, definitely, sir. So just pray for us. Just we have
Yes.
started a new startup, and we are trying to. We already have some clients. We already built 2-3 websites, and today only I have just joined Vivek Vindra's the program, and they are also promising that they will forward some client. Their IBC.
So what's the name of the agency that you are starting?
Zitco Private Limited.
Okay, Zipco.
Zitco, ZITCO.
CO. So I will ask everyone to say, all the best to you. So guys, just say all the best to Syed for, starting, Zipco, and pronounce it as well.
I'll type it in the chat box.
Yeah. So you can see all the chats that are coming in. So all of us are praying for the success of your agency.
No, in fact, all our team members and even the others also, they are very supportive.
Okay.
Whenever we got any the problem or anything, they are always helping. Even Neha also, she is helping me.
Okay.
She's also my senior. So there are many people, still they are willing, but I'm not taking more people. Just I want to start gradually. I don't want to promise something, unless and until we have more clients. Then definitely, I'm going to give the opportunity for other members.
Fantastic. All right, all the best, Syed. And I think you have got a ton of wishes as well.
So this was actually, since I was an NRI, so I have some good connections for outside also. So because of the lockdown of this one, I'm just not pushing myself to that. So once, still I want to learn and I want to practice, before I get some bigger clients.
Yes, got it.
Thank you. Looking forward to learn from you. Thank you so much for giving me that one.
Thank you, Syed. Thank you.
See you then. If you visit Hyderabad, please do let me know so we can meet.
Yes, for sure.
I am from Hyderabad. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. All right. So I think a lot of people want to talk today, but we don't have enough time. So it's already more than an hour since we started the webinar, and I will be doing more of these webinars. And right now I have decided to, probably do 2 webinars like this every week. And how many of you found the webinar useful today? Just type useful in the chat box. Did you learn something new? And do you want more such frequent interactions and live webinars? Yes, just type more in the chat box if you want more such interactions, because the community is the most powerful thing about the entire ecosystem of Learn Today and Digital Deepak and everything, where without having live interaction with the community and without having a live talk, nothing is going to work, right? And eventually what we will do is that we will go deep on each and every topic, and we will probably have a separate webinar about affiliate marketing, separate webinar about digital mentoring, digital freelancing, job strategies, and we will have separate things. And a lot of people are asking for batch 13. Please watch out for my email. If you have got my today's email, then you will also get notification for batch 13. It is starting on June 10th, and after June 10th, we will not be enrolling any more people into batch 13. Okay, so thank you for joining today, and thanks everyone for attending the webinar today. And all right, fantastic. So thank you, Ashutosh. Thank you for the long message. Great poetry there, I noticed. So just say good night for the rest of the participants as well. Good night to me, and then good night to you. Have a great weekend. Make use of the weekend by learning something new, read books, watch some videos, and make sure that you are productive all the time. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye. Good night, and see you in the next webinar. And stay home, stay safe. Don't step out.